Hi, lady and gentlemen. Today I would like to talk with you how to fit the photograph with the small icon. For example, this is my Photoshop CS6 when I enter it and setting. Now you see all the icon of Photoshop. It is small and super small. When I do that for design on the Photoshop, it's difficult, not easy, because I can't see anything. And I have to look a little for the fine job. Now we fit it. And now you stop the Photoshop now. Okay, you come to the desktop on the laptop or computer. On the icon of Photoshop, if you don't see the icon of Photoshop, for example, I delete it. You come to tab here to search and you search Photoshop. You tap Photoshop, you see the Photoshop here and you click the smile right. When you click smile on right, you see open file location of Photoshop. You click here right. After you click, you see the table. It's in the location of the Photoshop file itself. Okay, you click left, turn right, and you see the copy. You copy here, and you stop the folder, and you pass on the desktop of laptop. Now you see the Photoshop, and you click right on the Photoshop. You see the table. You come to the property. And when you see the property, you see compatibility. You click left and you should focus the Shanghai DPI setting. Shanghai DPI setting. DPI is in the word from dots per inch. Dot per inch. And you click here and you see all very high DPI scoring behavior, scoring birth from byte. You click OK, and you see application. No application. You click and you choose the system. When you choose the system, after you OK, and you OK too, and now you open your Photoshop. And now you can see how your Photoshop when you choose the system on the property of the Photoshop icon. Everything easy because it's lay the icon, you know. Okay, I can do that. Therefore, I think you can do that better me. If you interest my video, please help me like, share, and upload my channel. Thank you.